Hello dear friends. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where wood comes to life. Are you looking for stunning wood furniture designs ideas? You're in the right place. We share DIY tutorials, rustic home inspiration, and tips to style your space with natural wood textures. From reclaimed wood projects to minimalist modern designs, we help you bring warmth and character into every room. Today we will show you the collection of sculptural wood furniture and decor ideas inspired by ancient designs. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and crafts ideas videos daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. To never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas, smash the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like, share this video, as your likes and share enable us grow our channel to give you more content in return and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here. Let's make something beautiful together with Kuki Decor. In a world increasingly defined by fleeting trends and mass production, there is a growing reverence for furniture that tells a story, pieces that not only serve a purpose, but also embody artistry, history, and soul. Sculptural wood furniture inspired by ancient designs captures this sentiment with graceful authority. Drawing from the enduring beauty of classical forms, be it the symmetry of Greco-Roman architecture, the intricate carvings of Egyptian relics, or the organic flow of East Asian craftsmanship, today's artisans and designers are breathing new life into old-world elegance. But this renaissance is not about replication, it's about reinterpretation. At the intersection of form and function, sculptural wood furniture is being reshaped to meet the needs of contemporary living. Sleek profiles, sustainable materials, and multifunctional designs infuse age-old aesthetics with modern sensibility. The result is a harmony of past and present, furniture that is as practical as it is poetic, as enduring as it is elegant. This seamless fusion of timeless elegance with contemporary functionality offers more than just decor. It invites a deeper connection to craftsmanship, culture, and the natural beauty of wood. One of the most compelling aspects of sculptural wood furniture is the emphasis on materiality. In ancient times, wood selection was not only practical, but also symbolic. Hardwoods like oak, teak, walnut, and mahogany were prized for their durability, grain, and richness. Today, these same materials are favored for similar reasons, but there is also a rising trend toward using salvaged or reclaimed wood. Whether it's old barn beams, sunken logs, or decommissioned floorboards, repurposed wood adds depth and character to furniture, infusing each piece with a story. Sculptural wood furniture often highlights the natural features of the wood itself. Its knots, veins, and textures become integral to the design. Instead of hiding imperfections, artisans celebrate them, letting the wood speak. This philosophy mirrors the ancient Japanese concept of wabi-sabi, which finds beauty in imperfection and impermanence. A live-edge table, with its irregular contour following the tree's natural line, can feel as timeless as it does contemporary, connecting us to the rawness of nature while fitting seamlessly into a modern setting. The finishing of sculptural wood furniture also pays homage to traditional techniques. Ancient artisans used natural oils, waxes, and even milk paints to protect and enhance wood surfaces. These techniques are making a comeback as people seek alternatives to synthetic varnishes and mass-produced finishes. Burnishing, hand-rubbing, and oiling give pieces a tactile softness and a lived-in patina that only grows more beautiful with time. In this way, sculptural wood furniture is designed not only to last but to age gracefully. One of the defining qualities of sculptural wood furniture is the way it merges artistic form with everyday function. Unlike purely decorative sculptures, these pieces serve tangible purposes: seating, dining, storage, or display, while retaining an aesthetic integrity that commands attention. They often blur the line between furniture and fine art, challenging the viewer to rethink how beauty and utility coexist. Modern designers are drawing on ancient forms to create furniture that feels both grounded and forward-thinking. A bench may echo the low-slung silhouette of a Japanese zaisu, but with a sweeping backrest carved to resemble a stylized mountain range. A coffee table might take cues from the stepped structure of a Mesopotamian ziggurat, combining solid geometry with a floating top. These designs are rooted in historical reference yet reimagined through a contemporary lens, often incorporating modularity, hidden compartments, or multifunctionality to meet modern needs. The sculptural quality of these pieces is enhanced by their proportions, balance, and interplay with space. Negative space, the use of voids and cutouts, is especially important. Drawing from classical architecture and sculpture, these voids allow furniture to breathe, to feel light even when made of solid hardwood. A chair carved with deliberate space between its arms and backrest creates visual rhythm and comfort, while a bookshelf with staggered compartments adds dynamism to a flat wall. In this way, sculptural furniture doesn't just occupy a room, it transforms it. While many sculptural wood furniture makers honor ancient craftsmanship, they also innovate using modern tools and technologies. CNC machines, laser cutters, and 3D modeling software allow for precision and experimentation, enabling forms that would have been difficult, or even impossible, to execute by hand. However, these technologies are most powerful when paired with traditional methods. The result is a hybrid approach where old-world skill meets cutting-edge design. Craftsmanship lies at the heart of this movement. Many contemporary woodworkers see themselves as stewards of a legacy, drawing inspiration from ancient artisans while injecting their own vision. Workshops are often intimate studios rather than large-scale factories, and the pieces produced are typically limited edition or bespoke. This emphasis on craftsmanship fosters a deeper relationship between maker, material, and owner. Customers are not just buying a chair or a table, they are acquiring a work of art that embodies history, intention, and authenticity. Designers like George Nakashima, Mara Nakashima, and Wendell Castle have paved the way for this fusion of form and function, proving that sculptural wood furniture can be both expressive and enduring. Today, a new generation of makers is following suit, crafting pieces that honor their cultural heritage while speaking to a global, design-savvy audience. Incorporating sculptural wood furniture into modern interiors requires thoughtful styling, but the reward is a uniquely elegant atmosphere that transcends time. These pieces often serve as focal points: a carved sideboard anchoring a minimalist living room, or a hand-chiseled bed frame adding soul to a monochrome bedroom. Their sculptural presence invites pause, admiration, and interaction. To showcase the artistry of sculptural wood furniture, it's important to let it breathe. Avoid crowding such pieces with excessive decor. Instead, complement them with textures and materials that echo their natural and historical essence: linen drapery, clay pottery, wool rugs, or stone accents. Lighting also plays a crucial role. Directional lighting, such as spotlights or sconces, can emphasize carved details and shadows, while natural light brings out the grain and warmth of the wood. While the furniture itself may be rooted in the past, it doesn't have to dictate a historical or rustic interior. These pieces can exist in ultramodern, industrial, or even bohemian environments, acting as bridges that soften hard lines or add substance to minimal spaces. Their versatility lies in their depth, timeless yet adaptable, grounded yet expressive. Beyond aesthetics and function, sculptural wood furniture inspired by ancient design holds emotional and philosophical weight. It connects us to the rhythm of the natural world, the slow growth of trees, the tactile labor of human hands, the continuity of cultural memory. In an age of digital distraction and planned obsolescence, these pieces invite us to slow down, to appreciate the enduring, and to live with intention. They also encourage a more sustainable mindset. Rather than cycling through disposable furnishings, sculptural wood furniture is meant to last for generations. It resists trends and thrives in the context of heritage. Passing down a carved bench or heirloom dining table becomes an act of storytelling, where function becomes legacy and form becomes identity. By turning to ancient design for inspiration, today's makers are not retreating into nostalgia, but instead reaching toward permanence in a fast-changing world. The elegance of the past, reinterpreted through modern eyes and skilled hands, creates something truly timeless. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kuki Decor, we are all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Your support means the world and helps Kuki Decor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.